In this video, we'll be answering the top 20 most common questions about traveling with babies and infants, giving you all the tips and advice you need to make your journey smoother and stress-free. Okay, so what documentation is needed for babies and infants when traveling internationally? Well, babies and infants need a valid passport for international travel. Some countries may also require a visa or specific health documents. If only one parent is traveling, a consent letter from the other parent may be required, especially for crossing borders. Next question. Can I bring baby formula or breast milk through airport security? Yes, you are allowed to bring baby formula, breast milk, and baby food through security, even if it exceeds the typical liquid limits. These items will be subject to additional screening, but you are allowed to carry enough for your flight. And now, do airlines charge for infants? Most airlines allow infants under 2 years old to travel for free or at a reduced rate if they sit on an adult's lap, known as a lap infant. If you prefer a separate seat for your baby, you'll need to purchase a child fare. Each airline's policy may vary, so it's best to check before booking. What are the rules for bringing a car seat on the plane?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you purchase a seat for your infant, you can bring an FAA-approved car seat. The car seat should be installed according to the airline safety regulations. Ensure the car seat label shows it is certified for use on airplanes. What can I bring for my baby in the diaper bag on the plane? Most airlines allow you to bring a diaper bag as a free carry-on item in addition to your usual carry-on allowance. Essentials include diapers, wipes, a change of clothes, baby food, formula, bottles, pacifiers, and a small blanket. You can also bring baby medications as long as they comply with airline rules. How do I handle changing diapers on the plane? Most airplanes have a fold-down changing table in at least one of the bathrooms. It's best to ask the flight attendants where the changing facilities are located. Bring a portable changing pad, as the space
Don't
may
forget
be
to
tight.
like and
What's the
subscribe.
best way to help my baby with ear pressure during takeoff and landing? Well, sucking on a bottle, breastfeeding, or using a pacifier can really help relieve ear pressure for babies. The sucking motion helps equalize ear pressure during takeoff and landing. Can I bring a stroller and car seat on the plane? Yes. Most airlines allow you to check a stroller and car seat at no additional charge. You can check these items at the gate or at the check-in counter. Some parents opt to bring lightweight, foldable strollers to the gate for easier navigation through the airport. How do I prepare for long flights with a baby? Pack extra diapers, food, formula, and changes of clothes for the baby and yourself just in case. Bring toys, books, or apps to keep the baby entertained, and try to choose flights that coincide with their nap times. If possible, book a bulkhead seat where you can request a bassinet. Do airlines provide bassinets for babies? Well, some airlines do offer bassinets for long-haul flights. They are usually available on a first-come, first-served basis and are often located in the bulkhead rows. It's a good idea to contact your airline in advance to request a bassinet as they are quite limited. How can I help my baby adjust to a new time zone? Gradually adjusting your baby's sleep schedule a few days before your trip can be really helpful. During the flight, try to follow the local time of your destination. And once you arrive, exposing your baby to daylight can help their internal clock adjust more smoothly. What happens if my baby cries during the flight? Don't panic. Babies cry and most fellow passengers will understand. Make sure your baby is fed, burped, and comfortable. Walking around the cabin, bouncing, or gentle rocking can also help soothe a fussy baby. Can I breastfeed on the plane? Yes, you can breastfeed on the plane. Most airlines fully support a mother's right to nurse in flight. Bringing a nursing cover may make you feel more comfortable, but it's not required. Is there priority boarding for families with infants? Many airlines offer priority boarding for families traveling with infants, allowing you extra time to get settled on the plane. Check with your airline ahead of time to confirm their family boarding policies. How should I pack for my baby when traveling internationally? Pack enough essentials like diapers, wipes, formula, and baby food for the duration of your trip, as certain items may be harder to find abroad. Also, bring any necessary medications and a baby first aid kit. Don't forget to pack a few comfort items like favorite toys or blankets. Can I request special meals for my baby on the flight? Well, some airlines do offer baby meals or children's meals on long flights, but you typically need to request these in advance. If you are bottle feeding or using formula, it's a good idea to bring your own supply as baby-specific meals may be limited. What vaccinations are required for traveling
Don't
with a
forget to
baby?
like and
Well,
subscribe.
depending on your destination, certain vaccinations may be required or recommended for babies. It's really important to check with your pediatrician well in advance of your trip. especially if you're visiting a country where diseases like malaria or yellow fever are present. How can I keep my baby entertained on the plane? That's a common concern. Bringing quiet, compact toys like rattles, teething rings, or soft books can be a lifesaver. Interactive apps or videos on a tablet can also help, though you'll want to limit screen time if possible. And don't forget, snacks can also be a great way to distract and keep your baby occupied. Can I bring my breast pump on the plane? Absolutely! You can bring your breast pump through security and onto the plane. Breast pumps are considered medical devices and are allowed in addition to your normal carry-on allowance. Most airports even have dedicated nursing or pumping areas. What should I do if my baby gets sick while traveling? It's always a good idea to bring basic medications like infant fever reducers and consult your pediatrician before you travel. Also, know where the nearest hospital or clinic is at your destination and make sure your travel insurance covers medical care for your baby abroad.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This will help our channel grow.